we're back at the Rosen Inn. It's like a second home now. Right, through security, just need to give you your name. You got a list of who's checking in. Round to reception and check in. We found out last time they introduced a $10 car parking charge per night, capped at 5 nights, like $50. Previous times they didn't have that, I don't think. I was a bit surprised last time. It's just Rosen Inn reception. You can book kind of tickets and things over there for parks, and then they've got the bar, lounge, further through is the restaurant, and just the Light Bites shop as well over there. Right, we've got our room 3309. Oh, why is the camera up there? Light switch. Didn't make any difference. Right, I'll do a quick tour because obviously before I look back, our last video's got a full thing. Got aircon there, got an armchair, 2 double beds, TV, nice big deep drawers, a desk. There's charging ports on the lamp there. There's a plug behind the seal here. It's like a two guys, I know exactly where everything is. There's plugs on the clock and on the lamp. There's a safe there you can fit a laptop in. Wardrobe, and then microwave, fridge. There's a coffee maker, extra towels down here. Hairdryer, nice big mirror, sockets here as well. Toilet, bath and shower. And that's it. Oh, went blue. Of course you can't get anything under the beds here. They fit up above the wardrobes. So
even
much.
our big cases fit
The big cases went up, yeah. Yeah, quick little tour. So don't want to show people in the pool. Naturally, it's kind of. This is down the ground floor. You carry on straight over, and it takes you to kind of the shop and the reception, things like that. That's obviously kind of the pool area, just here. Restaurant they have here. Fountain View Cafe. They got all you can eat buffet. Says $13.95. Not bad at all. $79 for dinner. Got a den there, people sat kind of chatting, maybe playing cards and things. Got an arcade here. Oh, the battery's going to go, it's got on 1%. Got a little internet centre there. Got a little bar. And then this is a little gift shop or little supermarket. Call it. A few clothes there. It's like necessities really, caps, and I've got lots of pool toys. A few meals I can put in the microwave.
They had like a...
So the usual juices and water, crisps, cookies, cereal. A few bits of alcohol there. Got slush there, drinks machine. Yeah, kind of like hardware kind of things here. If you need them. There's a few medicine things. Got quite a lot in, haven't you? It's quite handy. That we forgot.
Also, Dad, look.
So, got noodle cups. They got some fresh things there. Got the Ilani sandwiches. Got a hot dogs thing now in the microwave there.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will catch you next time.